Okay, on the bench we have a Technics stereo amplifier, a SU G91. The guy said he's losing sound on the left channel. Now this is the way he gave it to me, just like this. I don't know if he had these buttons pressed in or out, but they're both out, which means it would be off, and I would assume he's probably doing stereo. So you would figure that A would be pressed in. Now on the back, I noticed that these two are flipped up. Well, if I'm not mistaken, well, let's just turn it around here. That doesn't look right to me right off the bat. Let's turn this around here. What does that say? Yeah, that's A right there. So I would figure these two would be open for left and right. Not these two. Is that left or right? Oh, that's left. Oh, maybe he was testing. Maybe he was testing the left channel. Apparently these have a serious heating problem. The fan goes bad in them, but the fan does look okay. Looks like it's springing back, or is that me doing that? Let's get something a little smaller here. Sorry, I'm trying to do this through the camera. I just want to see if those blades just bounce back like they're supposed to. No, no, it's probably, the bearing's probably shot in that. It doesn't spin and go back just like that. It just goes and stops. It doesn't go like this and then. Okay, so let's get a source hooked up. A couple of speakers, 2 speakers, and let's see what happens. Okay, we got a little test rig going on here. A little model 1001 PlayStation hooked up to there. Audio hooked up to here under the CD input. So first, let's turn this on. Heard the relay click. Well, okay, I don't know if you've seen that or it's right off the bat. Look at that. So I take it that's mute. See how that's like skipping? If I go real slow, if I go fast, it was a little goofy there at first. I wonder if that's dirty. I wonder if all these pots are dirty. Okay, so let's get that worked in a little bit here. So that's mute. Okay, let's get it on CD. Okay, I wonder if, even though it's muted, if the VMU will work. Let's turn it on. You don't want to turn on? Why don't you want to? Oh, yeah, because there's no sound, dumbass. Okay. I have right audio. I do not have left. I'd love to throw an audio CD in there, but you know, YouTube will be, nope, Not happening. No, I have left and right. I have left and right. Right is a lot louder though. No, it's not. Left. Right. Let's turn super bass off. No, leave that on. Fuck it. I'm going to tell you right now. I know it's not very loud. But that actually sounds good. It sounded real good, actually. That's funny. I don't see anything here. What's Phantom? Yeah, come on, give me something. Too bad there wasn't a sound test mode. Let's just leave it right on left. That is all left channel. I'm just trying to cover those vents up. That's all. Yeah, that's all left. Oh, there it goes. Oh. Okay. There's the fault then, right? That actually killed. That doesn't sound. That's way shittier than what it was. That sounded good, and the EQ is flat. Okay, hang on. What happens if we turn them off? Let's get into a game here. Just to give you some constant audio here. Oh, I didn't want to load. No, we still have just right audio. Okay, I think we found the fault. Is that fan running? No, not at all.
A bizarre incident occurred in the outskirts of an American suburb called Raccoon City.
As I was hitting it back here, this kind of went a little goofy.
A mutagenic toxin created by the international.
Yeah, we've totally lost left audio. Okay, so let's turn it off for half a second. Turn it back on. See if it. Oh, did you hear it? Half a second that came on. We are totally on left. We're totally on left audio here. There's balanced. There's complete left. Oh, figures when there's nothing on, right? Oh, there we go. Did you hear that? Let's just do that real quick here. Yeah, nothing. Leave that off for another half a second here. Say 1, 2, 3. I'm just watching the thing here so I know I have audio. Yeah, nothing. Wow, that doesn't kick in till way, way, way up there. But we have right still, right? Yeah, but look at it's low. Yeah, that's low.
Guys, I'm a maniac. Why'd he bite me?
Okay, but yep, we oh, left was back for a second and it was fuzzy. Oh, I wish I could bring that back again.
Hello?
There it is.
Is anyone here?
Yep, I bet you we got a bad solder joint somewhere in here, and I bet you the reason we do is that fan's not working, and something's getting stupid hot in there and got a bad solder joint. Because all of a sudden...
Hello?
All of a of a sudden that's fine. And that's pure left. There's both.
Look, I'm sorry I bothered you, okay? Just don't come any closer.
Yep.
Are you listening?
Okay, let's get into it. Okay, so now with it open, it was doing it again this morning. I let it sit for a good 12 hours just to let it get nice and cold, see how long it lasted. It lasted for about 2 minutes before it happened again, and you could tell it starts couple of crackles, and then it cuts right out. So I've had it off now for about 4 or 5 minutes. Took the lid off. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna turn on the PlayStation. Probably should put the inputs back in. CD. And while it's open, I do believe that the fan not running is causing an issue on what they call these BC power modules here. Because as I was hitting here on the top, it was happening, right? So I wonder if, I mean, you can see how these are sat in here. Can you see how these are sat in here? So I wonder if it just heats up, expands, and causes an issue. So while the lid is off, I'm going to fire it up. Get it to do what it does, and then sort of press around here and see where it comes back, how it comes back, and what it is. And then we will have to take a... does that cap look bad right there? The thermal paste behind... Focus. Behind it's good. It's good. It's still good. It's really good. It's almost like it's fresh. That cap right there, that looks... Come on, you can't focus for me? You don't want to focus? Lens is dirty? What's going on here? Hang on here 1 second. No, like I was saying, does that cap seem... Wow. Does that cap seem bad? It seemed a little domed. I mean, compared to... That's the same brand. It's the same type cap. But that right there does look... That one does look... Come on and focus for me. Jeez. Does not want to focus today. At all. Why? But that does look a little domed compared to those. And I checked the caps on this board, and they all kind of seem okay. I mean, visual inspection they do. None of those caps are domed. I don't really see any leaking. That's just Celastic from them holding it down. Yeah, but that... There's one back in there, too. That one looks okay. There's another small one back there, too. That one looks okay. I don't know. This one right here seems a little domed. I don't know if it's my eyes playing tricks on me, but no, I mean that, those to me right there, they look flat. Like I'm not getting any shine off them, but when you go right here, you can kind of see how the top wants to shine on me, like it's domed up. I wonder if that's not providing the proper voltage to the fan here. Okay. Anyways, let's zoom out of here. Let me get the light off. Let's fire up PlayStation, fire this up. Oh, it's already off. Left is already off. Okay. So let's just press. Let me get some sound here. Come on, you. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, there we go. We should definitely have... Ooh, okay. That scared the shit out of me. Okay, that's purely left. Now let's see what happens if we press around here. No. What about right here? Hang on. Let's get some.
Resident Evil.
Come on, give me some sound.
A bizarre incident occurred in the outskirts of an American suburb called Raccoon City. It was later revealed that the terrible disaster had been caused by the T virus, a mutagenic toxin created by the international enterprise
Oh, is that me
Umbrella
skipping that?
Incorporated for use in bioweapon experiments.
No.
Immediately began. Thanks to the efforts of STARS members Chris Redfield, Jill Val.
Oh.
But the corporation were far from finished.
Oh. Did we find the issue here? The solder joints under here. So, but why are we not getting any fan?
I'm finally here.
Sorry, I'm just trying to see if I can jumpstart the fan here. And by the way, please be careful if you're trying to stay away from the power supply area and sticking your hands in here. Here's me with a graphite ring on, touching shit in here. Okay, well now that I know that, I believe, what are we at here? 52, 47, 45, 43, 40. That's nice and loud. But yeah, I believe that we got a bad solder joint right in here.
Don't come any closer. Are you listening?
Yep, I bet you we do. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it like this for a little while. And I want to see if that fan comes on.
Wait,
and if it doesn't,
Get down!
if it doesn't, I am going to remove this fan and see if I can't get... Yeah, see that? Oh, I mean, it's not hot, but you can tell she's getting warm. She's putting off some heat, let me tell you. But is it enough to get that fan to go? And what about that cap? Okay, that's what we're gonna do. I'm just gonna let this run. See if I can get this fan to start. If it doesn't, it's getting pulled. Okay, I can't be 100% certain, right? But I believe that would be hot enough to turn that fan on. I mean, I can feel the heat radiating off it from here. I can feel the heat. I mean, it's not crazy, but I mean, I do believe that's warm enough. Absolutely, because that's getting towards the hot point right there. Yeah, so yeah, I absolutely believe that fan should be running. Okay, let's shut her down. And we'll remove this fan and we'll fix this bad solder joint down in here. Okie dokie. So here's the left here, right here, and let's see if we can get close above this. Yep, I was right. Actually, it's both. So left, right, I believe. Front, yeah, left, right, left, right, and then left, right, rear. So this is A, B, and then rear, and then center. But both, because remember he had this one flipped up and he had this one flipped up. So, and he wasn't getting left out of both. Well, yeah, I totally understand what's going on here. So, stay focused. So there's, come on. There's a bad solder joint. That one's okay, but I'm going to touch that one up anyways. And then on this left here, there's a bad solder joint right there. Both of them, both lefts. This left here, see if we can get even more focused in on that. I'm just going to switch positions in my hands. So this left here, absolutely, that's a bad solder joint. And then right here, look at that. That's why pressing on it was doing what it was doing. So we'll touch up. So we'll touch up that joint, and we will touch up that joint and that joint. As for the fan, I remove the fan, and it's either going to run on 5 volts or 12 volt. At first it was having a little trouble spinning. I don't even know if that's exactly what the issue is here, but let's focus in down here, and I will apply just over 5 volt on the fan. After lubing it up, the fan is working. So if I put it back into the case and it still doesn't spin, we've got another issue. We've got a power issue, which is why I should have checked voltage, right? Rule number 1, thou shalt check voltage. So, like I said, first thing I'll do is I'll get some flux. I get some flux on that pin, some flux on that pin, and some flux on that. Yeah, some flux on that pin, some flux on that, some new solder. I might as well touch up all these joints here. I might as well touch them all up, all of them. These on this side, they're good. All these joints are good, right? Because these probably don't get used very often, right? But these, I'm going to touch up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, and then throw this fan back in right here, and then we'll see what happens. Okay, all these joints are all touched up. They look good. They look good. So left right here. That one's in good. That's in good. I bet you that took care of that issue. So now let's get her back together, and then we'll get this fan here. Focus. We'll get this fan going here, and hopefully lubing it up and running it off this battery pack real quick and just getting her to start. This just looks like an RC motor, honestly. It doesn't even seem like it's anything special, but the housing it's in, I mean, I sure as hell know I'm probably not going to find a replacement, so yeah, because there's no way. I don't even think I can pop that cap off. I can't. That's all one. And it's probably all press fit in there, right? Well, let's see what happens. Okay, everything hooked back up. I didn't put any screws or anything in it, so it's really, really loose. But I just temporary power, left, right, left, right, left, right. Obviously, left was the issue. Let's power. Good stuff. Let's make sure that's not fucking cranked, and it is. Power. Right. Left. We'll leave it on left here. Let's apply some juice. Let's turn it down for half a second anyways, until we get some sound going here. Okay. Yep. I bet you this is getting fucking warm already, right? Oh no. Sometimes that burns me being down here in the lab, down in the basement here. She cold down here, even in the summertime. And sometimes when things are heat related,
Resident Evil.
it kind of gets me, because things stay cold down here. So yeah, everything seems to be okay so far. Let's get some, okay, let's skip this. Oh yeah, man, I'm telling you, that it does sound good. Let's add a little bass. Let's add a little treble.
I'm finally here.
Left, right. Oh yeah.
That guy's a maniac. Why'd he bite me?
She got some weight to her.
Hello? Is anyone here?
Yep, I got a feeling that would have already went tits up on me
Hello?
if that wasn't the issue when it comes to that.
Hello? Look.
Again, that's all
sorry
left.
I bothered you, okay? Just don't come any closer.
It's all left.
Are you listening?
Both channels.
Wait! Don't shoot!
Get down!
Yep, I believe that's it.
We can't stay out here.
Believe we
Head
got
to the
her.
police station. It'll be a lot safer.
I believe we got her there. Now let's figure out this fan issue. Yep, let's figure out this fan issue. Yeah, let's just get into her. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna temporarily plug it in. I think I'm just going to temporarily plug it in, just have it right here, and just see if it wants to come on or not. Okay, well, it's definitely running. Left, right, together. Sounds good. Both sound exactly how they should. Fans plugged in, nothing spinning. I'm not getting any voltage across here. Nothing. There's seriously 0 volts on this. And we know the fan spins. I know it's not the wire because we used the battery pack and it spun up. And I would assume, like, I don't see any third wire for it being smart. It's a dumb fan. You apply voltage and it gets it. Now, whether or not something on this board here is controlling that, I don't know. But I'm going to tell you right now, there is no voltage. How can I set you up here? I mean, I'm sure you trust me that there is 0 voltage. Nothing. Not a damn thing across this fan. I tried to move the connector up and down just to see if it was a bad solder joint underneath that connector. Nothing. And I would assume that right there, I mean, I would assume that would be enough to turn the fan on. You know, if it was being controlled somewhere. Now, I wonder if one of these caps here are responsible for this. Because the left and right is definitely good to go there. Let me see if, back out here, let me see if I can pull up a schematic on this. Because I don't want to pull the whole board out. I mean, that's just... That's just nonsense. But I'm getting no voltage across that. Huh. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna have to make this quick, and I'm gonna have to talk over what I have going on here because, you know, without it, it's not gonna happen. But so come to find out, it's controlled by volume, so you can see it, right? So obviously the fan's not gonna come on. Let me lock this here. Right? It's not gonna come on. Now you'll see that if I get down and focus on that for a second. Now I'm gonna hold the camera here, and I'm gonna start cranking the volume. So we're at 60 right now, right? Still nothing. Let's wait for the melody to kick in here. I'll start turning it up. And that's what it is. Turn the volume down, boom. That's when it kicks on. It kicks on when the volume starts to hit a certain level. That's what it is. So yes, this is now working again. Alrighty, put all together. See what happens. Close. On. Power. Right. Left. Right. Left. I have to say, I am quite impressed with how this machine sounds. It's to me, it's quite impressive that with these little cheap 80 watt 4 ohm test speakers that I use here, they sound fantastic. So all I'm going to do now is I'm just going to run it here at this. Like that. And yep. See how that's controlled like that? That is wild. Let's go to new game. Let's point it right here, right down at the fan as it says Resident Evil. Let's see if I can get you and hold that just like that. Oh, let me get the controller first. Okay, let's point that down. New game, normal. Can we get the fan? We don't want that. I just want you to be able to see the blades here.
Resident Evil 2.
That's amazing. And like I said, I am actually surprised. You see with that won't kick the fan on. But I bet you if I hit start and get to the motorcycle, it'll probably start spinning. Yep. That is amazing. Alrighty. So I think that's it. I think that's another one in the books. And what is that at? Yeah, that's quite loud. You know what I mean? That is quite loud. What we should check, though, one more thing, is we should move speakers over a set into B and C. Make sure both channels are working on B as well.
Guy's a maniac.
Now
Why'd he buy me?
I do know that in order to have A and B working, you have to have both sets plugged in. Like if you hit, for example, like if you hit B right now, it'll shut it down. It needs to have the full load across. So, but when I switch the speakers over, I should be able to let go B or let go A and engage B. So hang on here one second. Let me switch speakers. Okay, still playing. Now we're over to the B side. A should have nothing. All right, let me just turn that down. Oh, it is down. Okay, and Be engaged.
Better take it with you.
Perfect. So, left, right, left, right,
You okay?
left.
Still in one piece.
Beautiful. Beautiful. I don't doubt with a decent set of speakers, this would sound absolutely amazing.
Claire!
Leon!
I'm okay. Head to the station. I'm there.
Okay.
Now I'm just messing around here. I just want to see if we get any sound differences here. Yeah, this is half decent, let me tell you. I can see why he liked it. Oh yeah, okay. Absolutely. Oh, Claire's getting tore up. Okay. Yeah, that's it. That sounds good to me. Okay, I think we're gonna call it right there. Okay, everybody, thanks for watching. Same as everybody says, right? Like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, any questions, just leave them down below. Okay, guys, see you on the next one.